Here we're taking a look at the OpenRock S2. Very excited to be having a look at these. Open ear air conduction sports earbuds again. Now high-res audio with these as well, which is absolutely great. So let's go and take a look at the box, see what comes in it. Now these are open ear headphones again. They sit on the outside of your ears, which we'll go into shortly. And there is the, so open these up as we go. So there is the earbud case just there. Now, let's take a look at it. It's very, very light, which is great. Now, the earbuds themselves are 7 grams per earbud in weight, so they're very light. And there you can see them just there. Now, you've got the, in there just there. Now, God, these feel light. Yeah, it's 7 grams only. Feel that. Now, the great thing is they're very flexible to be on your ears. And look at it, they're completely different than the other OpenRock earbuds I've looked at in the past. So we're going to go put them on here. Now, it's 7 grams in there. LDAC and Hi-Res support. Now, these are IPX5 waterproof as well, and they have 4 mics in each one, which are noise cancelling mics as well. Again, I've got to keep them in my hands because they're actually so light. Let's go and have a look at the case in a minute. So you've got the case here. Now you get 32 hours battery life with the case and 8 hours with the earbuds. And you see they sit in there just like that. So very easy to sit in there. Now these also have Bluetooth 6.0 as well, which I haven't actually done many earbuds yet that have Bluetooth 6.0. That's great. Now you get 8 hours battery life in the earbuds and you get 4 charges, so 32 hours with the case. They only come in black. Now, a couple of things about them. IPX5 waterproof, Bluetooth 6.0. They do have multipoint connection as well. And they have professional sound effects. So basically what you do is when you're using them, you can press your earbuds to get different type of sounds for different types of workouts you're doing, which I think is something really handy. If we go look a bit closer as well, so you've got the 4 mics in there. You've also got the speaker in there, as you can see. Professional sound effects. So that sits over your ear like that, so you can hear an eardrum. And that sits where you get the microphone in there as well. Again, lovely flexible design. Now they've got 0.6mm titanium filaments and medical grade liquid silicone. So they're literally among the lightest I've actually tried. Now they're sweat proof as well, and they've got the separate bass direct chambers, which protects your earbuds here from moisture. The tube-based technology also gives rich and immersive sound in them as well. And yeah, as I said, LDAC support too. Now there's a couple of other functions like Find My Buds and Hearing Guardian, and you've got EQ customization built into them as well as spatial sound in these too. So they really are packed with a ton of features for such small little earbuds as well. So yeah, can't wait to actually show you guys and do them in more detail, but there they are. They look great. And let's go back and look at what else is in the box too. So the box here, you've got this instruction guide and a bit about how to actually set them up. But again, no bells and thrills really, that's it. Really good. So there is the OpenRock S2 earbuds.